Walmart heiress Alice Walton is once again the world's richest woman according to Forbes. The only daughter of the late Walmart founder Sam Walton has a fortune worth a whopping $89.1 billion. She had lost the top spot for a while to Francois Mayers, who's the heiress of French cosmetics company L'Oreal. When Sam died, he left Walmart to Alice and her brothers. Alice's comeback to the first spot is largely due to Walmart's stock price surging 44% to a record high this year, increasing her wealth by $25 billion. But unlike a lot of business heirs and heiresses and unlike her brothers, Alice never took an active role in running Walmart. She entered the family business only briefly in 1971, working for Walmart as a buyer of children's clothes. She then switched to finance, which then led her to founding an investment bank in 1988. But ultimately, she's a patron of the arts, which has been a huge part of her life. Today, she's one of America's most known philanthropists in areas like arts and education. Also, she's been a lifelong horse lover, and this has reflected in her philanthropic activities as well. Moreover, she was one of the top cutting horse breeders in the US at one point. Let's take a quick look at where exactly Walton spends her fortune. First is her immense collection of private art, which includes original works from legendary American artists spanning across 5 centuries. In 2011, she opened a $50 million museum called Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art in Arkansas to house her art collection worth $500 million. One of the museum's most notable acquisitions was a piece which Walton bought for $44.4 million in 2014, setting the record for the most expensive sale of a work by a female artist. Second is her philanthropic work. She has been a donor to various causes. In 2016, she donated 3.7 million Walmart shares, which were then worth $225 million, to the Walton Family Foundation. She also gifted $129 million to the University of Arkansas to make a school of art. She also runs her own foundation, the Alice L. Walton Foundation, which supports initiatives in arts, education, and health. Third is real estate. Walton owns a sprawling duplex in Manhattan, which she bought in 2014 for $25 million to be closer to the art scene. But Alice invested heavily in real estate and horse breeding in Texas particularly. She was once a prominent figure in the horse breeding scene, owning several ranches across the state. But in recent years, she's concentrating more on art and philanthropy. She sold 2 of her main ranches spanning across thousands of acres in Texas, where she'd lived since the 1990s, for $16.5 million and $22.1 million each. She also has a house in Fort Worth in Texas. Fourth is politics. Walton has traditionally given to Republican candidates and PACs, but in 2016, she donated over $350,000 to the Hillary Victory Fund. The duo met when Clinton was serving as the First Lady of Arkansas and was the only woman on Walmart's board. Hope this video told you something you didn't know about the world's richest woman. For more such content, keep watching Mint.